In this video, we're going to show you how to create a Bluetooth credential in CA4K and issue it to an individual. When you first open the software, you will find yourself here at the Live Events window with the Pending Alerts window at the bottom of the screen. Just like when you are going to issue a different credential, we're going to go to Personnel first. In order to issue a Bluetooth credential, you must create a new person. You cannot issue a Bluetooth credential to an individual who already has a different credential in the system. You'll see here for mine, I have one credential here and a separate here. In order to issue the Bluetooth credential, we must create a new person. So for this example, we're going to click New Person. The first thing you're going to do before you do anything else is click this button here, this icon in the top middle next to badge number, between badge number and facility. This will turn this credential into a Bluetooth credential. You can see the button went away and other pieces of our screen went away, but we still have others that are still here. There are 4 pieces of information you must enter right now. You must give a first name and a last name. Go to Access Groups. You must issue an access group. This access group is where this Bluetooth credential will work. If you don't want them to access during a certain period of time, this is where you would modify that by selecting the correct access group. If the access group you need does not exist, contact your system administrator or watch our videos on adding access groups. After you have the access group, click on the Mobile Credential tab. You must at least enter an email address. Once an email address has been entered, click Save. The software should take you back to the original screen. So we see our new user here with this new long badge number. And we're back at our General tab. You can click over and you can see our email address here. You can see our access group has been assigned. But here in the General tab, we now have this button that has appeared here at the bottom of this window. So this button says Send Mobile Credential, and this will be our next step. Click the button, and you will see a list of the available doors for whom you can assign credentials. In our system, we only have the one door. You can either select all, or you can select individual doors that you want them to have access to. With the doors selected, you will then do one of 2 things. You can either click Show QR Code, and you'll see a QR code that the badge holder can scan with their phone, and it will lead them to a link to download the software and to import the credential, or I say download, so to download the app and import the credential. Or you can send email. If you send email, you will get this pop-up window that says phone credential email message successfully sent to, and it will list the email address. Then you can click OK. You will need to communicate this PIN to the badge holder outside of the email that was sent. This is a safety check to make sure that the credential that is sent does not go to the wrong email address and get added to a phone that you do not intend it to be. So someone must have both the link, the email link, as well as this PIN in order to use an email, to import the credential into their app. We will do a separate video on how to set up the app and how to use the app. Also note that you must record this pin somewhere before you close this screen. Once this screen is closed, this pin goes away and it is not recoverable. You would have to delete this badge holder and recreate a new Bluetooth credential for the user again. Once we have the pin number recorded and communicated, we can click OK. And then we are ready to go. See our next video for how to set up the mobile app.